Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video where we'll be discussing the stunning Rai Lakshmi's beach fashion choices. So, let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about how Rai Lakshmi nails her beach looks. You'll often find her at the most exotic beach destinations, and her fashion game is always on point. She effortlessly combines comfort and style, making her the ultimate beach babe. One of her go-to choices is stylish swimwear. She's often spotted in an array of bikinis and one-pieces, and she knows how to choose the perfect one that complements her body shape. Her collection is a mix of vibrant colors and unique designs. To amp up her beach look, the actress frequently uses cover-ups and accessories. Think sarongs, kimonos, and stylish hats. It's all about adding that extra flair to her outfit. She often goes for comfy yet stylish sandals or slides that are perfect for the beach. Even at the beach, Rai's makeup and hair are on point. She keeps it light and natural, allowing her natural beauty to shine through. But the most important thing about her beach fashion choices is her confidence and positivity. She radiates self-assuredness, making her style even more appealing. Maldives, this tropical paradise is a favorite among celebrities, including Rai Lakshmi. The crystal clear waters and overwater bungalows provide an idyllic setting for her stunning beach looks. Goa, India, known for its beautiful beaches and vibrant atmosphere, Goa is a frequent getaway for Rai Lakshmi. She effortlessly blends in with the laid-back yet chic beach vibe here. Miami, USA, the beaches of Miami offer a fusion of Art Deco architecture, white sands, and a trendy beach scene. The actress has been seen soaking up the sun and fashion in this vibrant city. Bali, Indonesia, with its lush green landscapes and stunning beaches, Bali is a top pick for Rai Lakshmi. She brings her beach fashion game to this island paradise with flair. The actress has a diverse collection of swimsuits, ranging from classic one-pieces to trendy bikinis. She's known for selecting styles that suit her body type, which is a key takeaway for anyone looking to amp up their beach fashion game. Sarongs and cover-ups are must-haves for Rai Lakshmi's beach looks. They add a touch of elegance and versatility to her outfits. Whether it's a sheer cover-up or a printed sarong, they complete the look perfectly. The actress knows the importance of sun protection, and she does it in style with beach hats and trendy sunglasses. These accessories not only shield her from the sun but also add a touch of glamour. Beach bags and totes are essential for carrying all your beach necessities. Rai Lakshmi often opts for spacious, stylish bags that can accommodate her beach essentials while remaining fashionable. Comfortable yet stylish beach footwear is a hallmark of her beach fashion. She frequently chooses sandals or slides that are easy to slip on and off, ideal for a day by the water. Rai Lakshmi's choice of colors plays a significant role in her beach fashion. She tends to favor bright and vibrant colors, such as turquoise, coral, and shades of blue. These colors not only reflect the beach's natural beauty but also make her stand out in a crowd of beachgoers. When it comes to prints, she often embraces tropical and floral patterns in her beachwear. These prints add a touch of the exotic to her outfits and blend harmoniously with the beach environment. One of her secrets to a versatile beach wardrobe is her knack for mixing and matching different pieces. She effortlessly pairs various swimwear with complementary cover-ups, creating multiple looks from a few key items. In recent times, the actress has shown a commitment to sustainable beach fashion. She's been spotted wearing eco-friendly swimwear made from recycled materials, promoting environmentally responsible choices. While discussing Rai Lakshmi's beach fashion, it's essential to acknowledge her confidence-building poses. She knows her angles and isn't afraid to strike poses that highlight her best features, making her beach photos truly stunning. She often opts for beachy waves or loose curls, which perfectly complement the relaxed, seaside ambience. The actress keeps her beach makeup light and natural, allowing her skin to breathe. She focuses on using sunscreen, tinted moisturizer, and a touch of bronzer to achieve that sun-kissed glow. Her minimalistic approach to makeup aligns with the carefree beach vibe. Beyond the fashion and style, her beach confidence is something we can all learn from. She encourages everyone to embrace their unique beauty, flaws, and all. Her confidence radiates, and it's a reminder that true beauty comes from within. Rai Lakshmi's beach fashion may appear luxurious, but she also knows how to make budget-friendly choices. She often mixes high-end and affordable pieces, proving that you can look chic without breaking the bank. The actress is a master of adding statement accessories to her beach outfits. She's often seen with oversized sunglasses, statement necklaces, and chunky bracelets that add a touch of glamour to her beach looks. In addition to protecting her skin from the sun, Rai Lakshmi's collection of beach hats and headwear is a fashion statement. Wide-brimmed hats, straw fedoras, and colorful headscarves are some of her go-to choices. If you want to replicate her beach fashion, consider exploring the swimwear brands she loves. She's been seen wearing designs from luxury brands like Versace, but also supports emerging designers, showcasing their unique creations. In recent years, she has been an advocate for ethical and sustainable fashion. She chooses eco-friendly swimwear made from recycled materials, aligning her style with her commitment to the environment. Ever wondered what's in Rai Lakshmi's beach tote bag? She often carries beach essentials like a good book, sunscreen, a reusable water bottle, and a portable speaker for setting the perfect beach ambience. Rai Lakshmi's beach fashion extends to her choice of jewelry. She often adorns herself with bohemian-inspired accessories, such as layered necklaces, shell bracelets, and beaded anklets, enhancing her beachy look with a touch of exotic charm. Her beach hairstyles vary from classic beach waves to elegant braids. She's known for experimenting with different styles to suit the occasion, whether it's a casual day at the beach or a beachfront dinner. Beyond makeup, Rai Lakshmi emphasizes sun care and skincare at the beach. She's a firm advocate for applying a high SPF sunscreen and reapplying it regularly to protect her skin from the sun's harmful effects. Rai is passionate about sustainable fashion and actively supports swimwear brands that prioritize eco-friendly materials and ethical production. Exploring these brands can help you make more responsible choices for your beach fashion. If you've ever wondered how Rai Lakshmi manages to capture those stunning beach photos, she shares tips on finding the right angles, utilizing natural light, and posing confidently to create picture-perfect moments. Rai Lakshmi's beach accessories are a treasure trove of fashion. Her collection includes a wide range of items such as beach hats, straw bags, layered necklaces, statement rings, and oversized sunglasses. These carefully chosen accessories add an extra layer of sophistication to her beach looks. Her attention to detail doesn't stop at clothing, she also pays careful consideration to her nails. She often goes for fun and vibrant nail polish colors, perfectly matching her beach attire. Rai Lakshmi is a master of turning cover-ups into versatile clothing pieces. She's often seen using her beach cover-ups as dresses or even as off-shoulder tops. It's all about maximizing the utility of her wardrobe. To maintain her fabulous beach body, the actress combines her fashion choices with a consistent fitness and wellness routine. Regular workouts and a balanced diet play a crucial role in her looking and feeling her best at the beach. Rai Lakshmi has a few signature beach poses that always seem to grace her Instagram feed. From the classic, foot in the water, short to the playful, throwing sand in the air pose, she knows how to create captivating beach moments. Her makeup for the beach is a well-thought-out aspect of her style. She often selects makeup that's water-resistant and long-lasting, ensuring her look stays fresh and vibrant even under the sun. Rai Lakshmi's beachy waves are a style statement. Achieving those perfect waves requires the right styling tools, texturizing products, and a bit of practice. Her beachy hair is effortlessly glamorous. To keep her beach wardrobe organized and efficient, the actress relies on packing cubes and bags. This ensures that she can effortlessly locate her favorite beach outfits and accessories, making packing for beach trips a breeze. In her commitment to sustainable beach fashion, Rai Lakshmi often participates in beach cleanup initiatives during her travels. She's an advocate for keeping the beaches she loves clean and pristine. The actress has played a role in setting swimwear trends. Her choices, such as high-waisted bikinis and one-shoulder swimsuits, have influenced the swimwear industry, and her fans often look to replicate these looks. Rai Lakshmi's beach fashion isn't just about clothing and accessories. She also incorporates a signature beachy fragrance. She often opts for scents with hints of coconut, vanilla, and tropical fruits, evoking the essence of a beach vacation with every spritz. The actress expertly blends high-end and affordable fashion pieces in her beach wardrobe. She shows that you can achieve a luxurious look with key investments while balancing your budget with affordable but stylish finds. Rai Lakshmi offers tips on how to style eco-friendly swimwear. She showcases the versatility of sustainable pieces, proving that fashion and sustainability can coexist beautifully. For the actress, traveling to beach destinations means packing the right essentials. From quick dry towels to waterproof phone cases, she knows what it takes to have a hassle-free and stylish beach trip. The actress often cites her inspirations, including iconic beach beauties like Bridget Bardot and Elle Macpherson. She draws from their timeless styles and adds her modern touch, creating a unique beach fashion statement. Rai Lakshmi's beach hairstyles are as versatile as her wardrobe, and they play a crucial role in completing her beach fashion looks. She often embraces the classic beach waves. These effortless, loose curls give her a relaxed and natural appearance, as if she's been surfing the waves all day. Achieving this look usually involves a curling iron or some braiding and a touch of texturizing spray. For a more bohemian beach vibe, Rai Lakshmi opts for braided hairstyles. Whether it's a simple side braid, fishtail, or intricate boho braids, she knows how to infuse her look with a touch of elegance and a laid-back feel. On those hot beach days, a high ponytail is a practical and stylish choice. Her high ponytails keep her hair away from her face while exuding a youthful and carefree energy. When the sun is high, and the beach activities are in full swing, the actress often opts for a messy bun or top knot. This is a chic yet casual way to keep cool while looking great. Rai Lakshmi often elevates her beach hairstyles with floral accessories. Whether she tucks a few blooms behind her ear or adorns her braids with a floral crown, these small additions create a tropical and enchanting look. The actress has mastered the art of combining two timeless beach hairstyles, braids and beach waves. She often rocks a hairstyle that involves loosely braided sections of hair to create a textured, effortless look. It's the perfect blend of chic and beachy. Rai Lakshmi opts for a tousled low bun. This hairstyle is not only stylish but also incredibly practical, keeping her hair off her neck and back while exuding a relaxed, elegant charm. Her half-up half-down beachy knots are a playful and stylish choice. She often gathers the top layers of her hair into two knots, creating a youthful and carefree look that's perfect for a day at the beach. For a distinct beach look, Rai Lakshmi sometimes goes for the wet hair style. This gives her the appearance of just stepping out of the sea. Achieving this look involves using a lightweight hair product and combing your hair back for that glistening, fresh from the ocean appearance. To add a touch of flair to her beach hairstyles, the actress occasionally incorporates decorative hairpins or clips. They come in various styles and shapes, enhancing her look with a playful and unique charm. Another captivating beach hairstyle often donned by Rai Lakshmi is the effortless beach ponytail. She styles her hair in a loose, low ponytail, allowing strands to escape and frame her face. This look perfectly embodies the relaxed, carefree beach vibe. To add an extra dose of boho chic to her beach hairstyles, the actress frequently incorporates hair scarves or wraps. These colorful and patterned accessories can be tied around her ponytail, bun, or braids, adding a touch of flair to her look. For a more intricate beach hairstyle, she sometimes opts for a messy side fishtail braid. This hairstyle exudes an aura of casual elegance and works perfectly for both beach days and beachside dinners. One of Rai Lakshmi's signature beach hairstyles is the beach halo crown braid. She styles her hair in a delicate, ethereal braid encircling her head, creating a mesmerizing and romantic look perfect for beach weddings and special beach occasions. Her beach makeup is all about achieving a fresh, natural look that enhances her features without being overly dramatic. For beach makeup, the actress starts with sunscreen as her base. This essential step not only provides sun protection but also serves as a primer for her makeup. She opts for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with a high SPF to shield her skin from harmful UV rays. Instead of heavy foundation, the actress often chooses a lightweight tinted moisturizer. This product helps even out her skin tone while allowing her natural beauty to shine through. It's perfect for a fresh and dewy look. To achieve that sun-kissed glow, Rai Lakshmi uses bronzer. She lightly contours her cheeks, temples, and jawline with a bronzer that complements her skin tone, creating a healthy, beachy radiance. The actress knows that beach days can involve water activities. To avoid raccoon eyes, she relies on waterproof mascara to keep her lashes defined and smudge-free. For her lips, Rai Lakshmi opts for a tinted lip balm or lip gloss. It adds a touch of color while keeping her lips moisturized and protected from the sun's harsh rays. Rai Lakshmi's beach makeup techniques are designed to enhance her natural beauty and create a fresh, glowing look that's perfect for the beach. When it comes to eyeshadow, the actress leans toward natural, earthy tones. She often chooses soft browns, warm taupes, and subtle shimmers to create a subtle and effortless eye look that complements the beach atmosphere. For her eyeliner, Rai goes for a minimalistic approach. She usually lines her upper lash line with a brown or charcoal eyeliner pencil for a soft definition that doesn't appear heavy. To achieve that beachy glow, Rai Lakshmi uses a luminous highlighter on the high points of her face, cheekbones, brow bone, and the bridge of her nose. This adds a touch of radiance and catches the sunlight beautifully. Her choice of blush is subtle and soft, providing a natural flush to her cheeks. She often selects peach or coral shades that mimic the rosy hue that comes from being in the sun. To ensure her makeup stays put, she uses a setting spray. This helps her makeup withstand the heat and humidity of the beach, keeping her look fresh and intact throughout the day. Her beach makeup often focuses on her lips and eyes to draw attention to these features. Rai Lakshmi is not afraid to make a statement with her lips at the beach. She often selects bold and vibrant lip colors like coral, hot pink, or red. These shades not only pop against her sun-kissed skin but also add a touch of glamour to her beach makeup. When the actress opts for a more dramatic eye look, she goes for soft smoky eyes. Using neutral browns and earthy tones, she creates a subtle smokiness that accentuates her eyes without being too heavy for the beach. To add extra allure to her eyes, the actress occasionally indulges in subtle eyelash extensions. These extensions create long, fluttery lashes that enhance her gaze without the need for mascara. Rai Lakshmi prioritizes lip sun protection. She often uses lip balms with built-in SPF to keep her lips shielded from UV damage while maintaining a vibrant and healthy appearance. For quick makeup touch-ups at the beach, the actress carries a compact with a mirror, blotting papers, and a lip product. These essentials allow her to maintain her fresh beach makeup throughout the day. Her beach accessories are a key part of her signature beach fashion. One of Rai Lakshmi's go-to beach accessories is oversized sunglasses. Not only do they provide sun protection for her eyes, but they also add a touch of glamour to her beach outfits. The actress knows that the beach offers a natural backdrop like no other. She embraces the abundant natural light to capture her photos in the most flattering way, whether it's golden hour or the midday sun. To create visually interesting shots, Lakshmi Rai experiments with various angles. She knows that shooting from low angles can make her appear taller, while high angles can emphasize her surroundings. Candid moments and movements are key to her beach photo shoots. Whether it's walking along the shoreline, twirling in the sand, or a playful splash in the waves, she infuses life and energy into her photos. The actress often incorporates natural elements like seashells, palm fronds, or beach umbrellas into her photos. This adds a touch of authenticity and creates a connection between her and the beach setting. Lakshmi Rai's confidence in front of the camera is apparent in her beach photo shoots. She practices different poses, from the classic, foot in the water, shot to the carefree, throwing sand in the air, pose, ensuring that her posture is always on point. That wraps up our discussion on Rai Lakshmi's beach fashion choices. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.